Hey everyone, it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this like wintry, glittery, basically holiday event party makeup look. This is what it looks like up close. If you end up really liking my video and you want to help support my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you go, and also give this video a thumbs up to help my channel get some more views. But otherwise, let's just go ahead and dive right in. To start off, I am going in with my Neutrogena Hydroboost Gel Moisturizer and my Hailey's Beauty Refined Soft Matte Poreless Primer. This primer is my new favorite. I am so obsessed with it. I did a whole review and wear test of this primer and their Rewind Concealer. If you guys want to check it out, I will have it linked down below. Otherwise, for foundation, I'm going in with the classic Lancome. I don't even tint Idole Ultra Longwear Foundation. I have not used this since high school, and I did not like it in high school because I really didn't know what I was doing. I noticed since then though, they changed the packaging up a little bit. It has this beautiful golden metal rose top now, which I love. Mine is in the shade 260 Bisque Neutral. It still is kind of a weird foundation for me. Like when I was first applying it again for the first time after all these years, I was like, nope, I hate it. I can't stand it. Like this isn't even full coverage, which it really isn't. Like I don't think that claim is accurate. But then I set it and I like loved the finish of it, and it stayed really well on my oily skin, so I have been enjoying it, and it's a perfect match with my self tan too. At first it doesn't look like it would be. Like when I swatch it, it looks pretty light at first, but it does oxidize. It dries down to its like true color. So I would not want to go any darker than this once it's all set. And I am just using my Beauty Creation sponge to blend this out. Okay, can you see it like changing colors? I don't know. It's really weird. That kind of turned me off at first again too. I was like, what is happening? But it just has a beautiful finish, especially with this primer. This is my absolute new favorite. It makes every foundation look so airbrushed and beautiful. It's kind of like the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter foundation. I really love that foundation too. But they're like non-oxidizing, but just give it a couple minutes to turn its true color. Like, what? And honestly, this doesn't even look like perfect. It just has almost like an oranginess to it. And that is why I was so like, no, I am definitely returning this until I set it. The white cast of my Colourpop powder like cancels out any like orange tone, and it makes it look identical to my self tan somehow. I don't even know. I'm just gonna shut up and keep working so you guys can see it. I don't understand how I got this like pimple scratch type of thing right in between my eyebrows. It seriously looks like one of the cats just scratched me right there. And I am going in with my Hailey's Beauty Rewind Concealer. This is blurring, full coverage, matte, long lasting, all the good stuff. This is in the shade Fair Light Neutral. And again, if you want to watch my all day wear test, how this wears with my oils, pumpkin, no baby, it will be linked down below. And just further blending this out with my Sigma F03 brush. This concealer looks so perfect with this foundation. Now let's set it into place with that Colourpop white cast powder I was telling you guys about. This is their no filter translucent setting powder. But I love it. It controls my oils so well. First, just going to set my under eye using my sponge. And then doing the rest of my face with a brush. This is the Morphe X Ariel collection. It's just weird. It's like when you set this foundation, that's when it gets more coverage. I don't even know. That makes no sense. Then I will be contouring my nose with the Dior Backstage contour powder in this shade here. blending that out. I feel like I have not contoured my nose this good in so long. I'm so glad we're going out tonight. For my cheekbone contour, I'm using the Natasha Denona Contour Sculpting Powder in the shade Medium 2. I also bring this up to my temples. Dust any extra on the sides of my nose. Okay, next I will be bronzing my face with the Marc Jacobs Tastic Bronzer, the classic. For blush, I am also going in with another new favorite. This is the Makeup by Mario Soft Pop Powder Blush in the shade Wildberry. This is so, it's everything and more. I love this shade so darn much, especially for this time of year to just have that warm, berry, wintry look, you know? And it just lasts so well. I mean, granted, I give a lot of that credit to the Hailey's Beauty Primer. Really just grips everything into place too. But, ooh, that color! This is the perfect shade that I've been looking for. Cause like, I don't want pink, I didn't want rose, I wanted berry. So I was super excited when I came across this. For highlight, I will be using my Dior Forever Couture Luminizer in the shade Nude 1 Glow. This is also my favorite. Then for eyebrows, I'm using my Colourpop Brow Gloss in the shade Dark Brown. Like, why is this foundation so beautiful once it's set? I don't understand. Okay, moving on to eyes. Also a new favorite that I've been using recently is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Timeless Fantasy Eyeshadow Palette. This is a like exact dupe for the Natasha Denona Glam Palette, which I also love, but obviously this is so much more affordable and it's amazing quality. To start, I am going to be taking the shade Refined over here to set my whole lids. Next, I will be putting Contemporary, this shade right over here, all over my lids and in my crease. And also brushing this underneath my eyes. Still using the shade Contemporary, but just on a blending brush in my crease now. Now I'm gonna go in with this like gray toned neutral brown, the shade Chic right here. I'm just going to pat this all over my lids. I actually want just a little bit of more warmth added, kind of like near my eyelashes at the bottom. I'm gonna go in with this Desire shade here and just really lightly dust this kind of by my lash line. I'm actually kind of dusting it upwards on my lid too because this brush is applying it perfectly. Okay, yeah, I really like that all over my lids, so I'm just kind of going hard with it now. I'm going back in with more of that tan Contemporary shade in my crease. Now for the fun part, I am going to go in with the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Reflect all over my lids. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I hope you guys can see the difference that's making because it is so pretty. I never want to run out of this product. I love it so much. I'm just gonna add some of my Dior highlighter into my inner corners, make those pop a little more. And then also on my brow bones. All right, let's set this all into place with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now for eyeliner, I want like a baby wing, so I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. This is just black liquid liner, but I really, really love this stuff. There, that is the perfect little baby wing that I was trying to achieve. Okay, I messed up this eye a little bit. Way too much of a wing on this eye. That's annoying. I'm gonna go try to touch it up really quick with a Q-tip. Wish me luck. You guys, it actually worked. I am telling you, this eyeliner is the best. It is so forgiving. All I have to do is just touch up what I've got now. But yeah, you just use a dry Q-tip. Do not wet it. That will move everything underneath it. All I did was just use it dry once the eyeliner was dry, and it like buffed off exactly what I didn't want anymore. For my upper waterline, I'm using this Colourpop cream gel liner. And then tossing on a quick coat of the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. And then for lashes, I'm going in with the Lilly Lashes Miami Lite. I love these lashes. I'm like, I love these. I'm just going to touch up the eyeliner. So this is what the eyes look like, but the lips are looking a little dead, so let's fix that. I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop lip liner in the shade of Ashton. Then I'm gonna go in with my Vieve Lip Dew just to moisturize my lips and also like blend this out. And then I'm going in with a product that I have not used in a hot minute. This is the Patrick Ta She's Unapologetic Monochrome Moment Silky Lip Creme. This is old, but it is a beautiful nude. That's exactly what I was going for. That makes me so happy. And that completes this tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below to help my channel reach 1,000 subscribers. I am getting really close and I am so excited. Thank you so much to everyone that supports me. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and otherwise I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells